Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Nur Amalia Akila binti Muhammad Asli. So I'm going to explain for case 1, price of elasticity of demand. So the question is, if the price of product A is increased by 20% and as a result the quantity demand product A decreased by 10%. So what is the price elasticity of demand for this product A? Also, what is the type of elasticity and how we are going to calculate? So the first one is, what is the price elasticity of demand for this product? And also, what is the type of elasticity for this product? So as we know, for product A, the price is increased for 20%, but as a result, the quantity demand for this product is decreased for 10%. And the type of elasticity for this product is inelastic.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Noor Alal Rasha. I'm going to present about price elasticity of supply, which is question number 2. So first, let's we calculate the price of the supply first. So the formula of price elasticity of supply is percentage change in quantity supply divided by percentage change in price. And then we got 50% divided by 20%, and the final answer is 2.5. As we can see on the calculation, percentage change in quantity supply is greater, which is 50%, then percentage change in price which is 20. So price elasticity of supply is 2.5, so it means the supply of smartphone is elastic because the elasticity is greater than 1. So for every 1% increase in the price, the quantity supply increased by 2.5. So this means the quantity supply is proportionally to change in price. So as we can see on the graph it show that it's a proportional relationship between price and quantity supply. So when the price increase to to 600 ringgit, the quantity supply also increased to 300 units. So based on the graph, we can see the positive slope, the upward slope, or the supply curve displayed as the price increase from 50 ringgit to 60 ringgit. The quantity supply also increased from 200 unit to 300 units. We can interpret also about law of supply in this graph. We confirm that the basic economic principle that higher price motivate producer to supply more. So the graph also illustrate an elastic supply curve for smartphone, indicating higher producer responsiveness to price change. So this motivate the producer to supply more and more smartphone. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arini Shahira and my number ID is SMK 2311067. For answer question C is income and elasticity of demand. Initial income is 30,000 and the new income is 35,000. Initial quantity demands is 210 unit and therefore the new quantity demands is 240 unit. By dividing this 2% change in quantity demand of goods and the percentage change in income, we got 0.87%. 0.87 indicate that good of Z are good, but they are necessary rather than the luxury item. The quantity demand increase with income, but also at slower rate than the income increase. This is curve for goods X. This curve show the income level from 20,000 to 45,000. The quantity demand range from 150 units to 217 units. As the income level increase, the quantity demand also increase. This indicates that higher income level are associated with higher demand for the product. Since the conclusion YED for goods X equal only 0.87%, goods X is qualified as necessary. This indicate that the demand for good X increase with income, but the increase in the demand is less proportionally to the increase in income. An example of the product that typically show a positive correlate between income level and the quantity demand, as depicted in the graph, could be luxury goods such as electronic, like smartphone and laptops, premium car design and premium design clothes and government food item. In conclusion, as income level increase, the quantity demand also increase. This suggests that the goods in question is normal goods, meaning that the demand for the increase as consumer income increase. This relation described by upward sloping in the line connect to data points indicate that the higher income level are associated with higher quantity demands.
So hi, my name is Yani Maisara. So I will answer question number 4. So in this case, coffee and tea are being analysed. The obsessive behaviour means that when tea prices rise, so does the demand for coffee. It shows a positive cross elasticity of demand between tea and coffee, showing that there are alternatives. When tea prices rise, consumer move to the coffee. So that means when tea prices go up, more people start buying coffee instead. This shows that coffee and tea are substitutes. As tea become more expensive, people look for a cheaper option, which is coffee. So the demand for coffee increase. This is why this incident happens. Replacement goods. Coffee and tea are alternative goods. For another one, when the price of tea rises, people seek a cheaper alternative, and coffee provides that purpose. As a result, the demand for coffee increase. Lastly, information could influence the coffee chain's marketing strategies is targeted advertising. The coffee chains may use targeted advertising efforts for teen consumers, promoting the cost and benefits of converting to the coffee. This marketing can be particularly successful if tea prices rise, but if the tea prices rise. In conclusion, when tea price go up, people switch to the coffee, increase its demands. Coffee and tea are substitute goods, so the coffee chain can target tea drinkers with ads highlighting the benefits and cost saving of coffee. This strategy can attract more customers, especially when tea prices go up.